How to increase Google Drive storage for free. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how to obtain unlimited Google Drive storage for free, demonstrating proven methods to surpass the standard 15 GB limit without incurring any costs. Running out of Google storage space for your important photos, videos, and documents can be frustrating, especially when you don't want to pay for more. The good news is, there are clever and legitimate ways to significantly boost your Google Drive free storage and reclaim valuable space. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Our first step is to optimize the space you currently have. To begin, you need to identify what's actually consuming your 15 GB of free space. Remember, this isn't just Google Drive files, it also includes your Gmail and Google Photos. Head over to drive.google.com/settings/storage or simply search Google Drive Storage Manager. This page gives you a visual breakdown of what's taking up space across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. You'll often see suggestions to clean up space or get more storage. Click Clean Up Space to access helpful tools. The Large Drive Files tool makes it easy to find large files in your drive, especially those in your trash that are still counting against your quota. Delete them permanently from the trash after moving them there. For Gmail, you can search as attachment larger 10 MB or any size to quickly find and delete emails with big files. Don't forget to empty your Gmail trash afterwards. Under Google Photos, if you backed up original quality photos before June 1, 2021, they are free. But anything uploaded after that date, or at original quality, counts. So use the Google Photos Storage Management tool at photos.google.com/quota management to review and potentially delete or compress items that count towards your limit. Now, even after a good cleanup, 15 GB might still feel restrictive. So, our next method shows you how to get free Google Drive storage that genuinely expands your available space. This involves leveraging multiple Google accounts and a clever sharing trick. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to get more Google Drive space for free using multiple accounts. The core idea here is that each Google account comes with its own 15 GB of free storage. By creating additional free Google accounts, you effectively get another 15 GB with each one. The trick is to manage all this storage from your primary account without constantly logging in and out. To create additional Google accounts, go to accounts.google.com/signup and create one or more new Google accounts. You don't need to use them for email or anything else, just for storage. Keep track of the login details for these accounts in a secure place. The next thing is to create a shared folder on your new account. Log into one of your newly created secondary Google accounts. In Google Drive, drive.google.com, click on +New and select Folder. Name it something descriptive, like Extra Drive 1 to 15 GB or Backup Storage. Click Create. Now, right-click on this new folder, or tap the 3 dots on mobile, and select Share. In the sharing dialog, type the email address of your primary Google account. Crucially, ensure the permission is set to Editor. This gives your primary account full control over files in this shared folder. Click Send. To access the shared folder from your primary Google Drive account, log back into your primary Google account. In the left-hand menu, click on Shared with Me. You'll see the folder you just shared from your secondary account. To make it super convenient, right-click on this shared folder in Shared with Me and select Add Shortcut to Drive. You can then place this shortcut directly into My Drive for easy access. To store files in this new shared folder whenever you need more space, simply drag and drop files directly into this shared folder from your primary Google Drive. Any files you put into this shared folder will consume storage from the secondary account's 15 GB limit, not your primary account's. This effectively extends your free storage. Repeat this process for as many additional Google accounts as you need to get the desired amount of free storage. You can effectively get 30 GB, 45 GB, 60 GB, or even more, all managed from your main account. Note that Google may delete data from accounts that have been inactive for 2 years or more. Make sure to log into your secondary accounts at least once a year or occasionally access files from them to keep them active. Also, understand that Google has policies against creating accounts for abusive purposes, so use this method responsibly. Check the description below for more Google Drive tips and to explore other helpful video tutorials. If you found this video valuable and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing and hitting the like button. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Click this card here for more Google video tutorials. Thanks for watching.